Hi everyone, I'm Sammy. I don't just cook to impress, I cook to live to eat. Today we are going to make KFC. I don't care, I love it. Just kidding. We are making the real deal. KFC, Korean fried chicken. It's sweet, spicy, sour. It's full of the flavor. Made from scratch in my kitchen. Why Korean fried chicken? In Korea, we have a legendary combo called chimek. Chimek combined together chicken and 맥주. 맥주 in Korea is beer. When it's hot summer night or you have a long day after want to chill, you always ring up, get a fried chicken and then get a glass of beer. Pure happiness. When I was young, we didn't get the chicken every week, anything like this. We always looking forward to, mom's ordering a chicken. We live in right next to a big hospital, and then there's a funeral house is next to my house. Every time we have to go pick up the chicken, we are very, very scared crossing this hospital because we thought always that there's a dead body. But my desire to getting a chicken was so bad, My sister and my brother, we were always brave enough to passing this, house and to get the chicken. And when you get the chicken, have a first bite, it was heaven. First bite was absolutely heaven. That's the chicken I always remember. Fry? Yes. Guilty? Never. Worth it? Always. Let's get started. The first thing is first, I got a chicken thigh fillet, around 600 grams. I'm gonna slice as a bite size. You can keep the fat as it is because it gives you more flavor. I think normally Asians love to keep it. We just wanna make nice, simple, clean chicken. Now we're gonna season it. First, salt. Just pinch of salt. Of course, soy sauce. I put 1 tablespoon. Now I got a garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic, but I found garlic powder is a convenience. I put around tablespoon, and then onion powder. I put onion powder 1 tablespoon, and big pinch of the pepper, white pepper. We're gonna put some mirin, 2 tablespoons. It helps remove all the gamey flavor from the chicken. Mix well. We got soy sauce, salt, and the saltiness going to the chicken. And then all the garlic and onion powder help, build the umami flavor from the chicken. Of course, I have a little drizzle of sesame oil, give you a little Korean flavor. I'm gonna put this chicken in the fridge around 20 minutes. Let's be creative now. I didn't season a lot of things in the chicken. Very simply, soy sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, very simple. But the sauce will be your gold, okay? I have a special ingredient called gochujang. But a lot of people, they say gochujang, but it's not a gochujang, I speak fluent Korean, so it's gochujang. It's basically fermented chili paste. It gives you little sweetness, saltiness, and spiciness. I think it's a very magical sauce for Korean, We put every single thing like a bibimbap, tteokbokki, all Korean food. This is essential ingredient. And then I'm sure, all the major supermarket, they sell this one, you easily access it. Okay, I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon and then another 2 tablespoons. It does look very spicy, but I don't think it's overly spicy like a Mexican, nothing like that. Now I'm gonna mix a lot of pepper, maybe 1 tablespoon. Maybe I'll just chuck in everything. And the garlic powder, I'll chuck in everything, around 2 tablespoons. And onion powder, 2 tablespoons. And soy sauce, probably this one around 6 to 8 tablespoons. And then now, I have 2 options. If you're freaking out about the syrup, don't use the syrup, but I'm gonna use syrup. You can always use honey instead of syrup. So I'm gonna mix half-half today. It looks delicious. I'm gonna use syrup as well. If you're only available honey, you can mix with double amount. Don't use syrup. But I got syrup. Now, of course, this is Korean chili powder we're talking about last time. Asians declare. I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons. And now I've just discovered the big chunk of the frozen garlic from my freezer. So I might want to use it as well. Maybe 2 tablespoons. Let's mix well. With this stage, you're gonna put some of the water, helping the mix well, because we're gonna boil it in the pot. Then after that, later on, I'm gonna put some black vinegar, but give you a little sourness into the sauce, and then also the lemon squeeze. But I wanna put later, after I boil this sauce, because once you put all the lemons and the vinegar into the pot, it's give you chemical reactions, so it's not very good for your pot. So I'm gonna put later. Let me taste it, if everything's right. It's delicious. It's spicy, saltiness, the umami flavor from the garlic. It's actually quite garlicky. Now I'm pouring into the pot. Now I'm gonna boil this sauce with high heat until it bubble. While we're waiting, I want to go a little bit fancy. This is not normally Korean stew, but I can because lemons everywhere in Australia. I want to peel off lemon skin as much as you can. And also I got cinnamon stick. It's not essential, but it gives you a little different element to your sauce. In my restaurant, people always come to me, there's a hidden things in your spicy sauce. What is it? Because I think they have a little clue for the cinnamon. I'm gonna use cinnamon, give you a little complexity in your sauce. But if you have a cinnamon powder, it's okay. You can use cinnamon powder. Today, we're using very simple recipe. So I bought this flour for chicken fry. There's a lot of things you can add, all the spiciness, saltiness, whatever you like it. I don't want to give you too much hassle to make, because already we're frying things. So let's go simple. We're using this. And then I'll heat up the oil first. While oil is heating up, we're gonna prepare chicken. The marinate chicken from the fridge, after 20 minutes, I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons, big generous tablespoon of the batter, and then a little bit of water and mix it. This is the consistency what you're looking for. And then I'm gonna put this chicken batter on the flat plate, make it even. And then get the chicken, place chicken on the plate and coat it with the flour nicely. And then last bit, want a little squish and transfer into the clean plate again. Now fun part, frying. Yes, guilty. Never! Make sure the oil is hot enough. Just put the wooden chopstick and you have a look. They got a little bubble at the bottom. Another thing, just experiment. Just chuck a piece of the flour. Look at this. It's ready. Just be gentle. We're gonna cook about 3 to 5 minutes. This is not the sound of fry. It's the sound of happiness. I was in Korea last week and then I discovered this thing. And then I was wondering for 2 minutes, what the hell is this? But it's actually cover up, or when you do frying things, cover up. So it's quite a safe. And then I bought only $3. How amazing. Now we have Korean fried chicken. We're gonna garnish this one. I'm gonna transfer this chicken into the plate. You can hear it still. Sound crisp. Fry, yes. Guilty, never. Worth it, always. Okay, I'm gonna chop some spring onion. Asian food all about chop, chop, chop. The sauce we made, look at this thickness. I'm gonna add a little bit of a black vinegar, give you a little sourness. It's delicious. Now we're gonna drizzle all this sauce. And now I'm gonna garnish with spring onion, toasted almond on the top. We got a little shredded chili as well. It's not essential if you have it. Now you have Korean fried chicken, KFC. I don't care, I love it. Love it. Now tasting. Let me try KFC first. It's delicious, but I think there's something missing. Now my version of Korean fried chicken. Let me try it. I can taste it's quite well marinated. The garlic, sweet, spicy, sourness, and a little bit of smoky flavor from the black vinegar. Also, the cinnamon is full of the complexity of all the flavors. I think my KFC much better than this KFC. Remember guys, we don't just cook to impress, we cook to live to eat.